Well, if you are a frequent viewer of Fox 17, you've probably seen something about our Keep Michigan Safe campaign. It is a wonderful partnership with Escape Inc. to get new working smoke alarms installed in homes across West Michigan. The initiative saves lives, and our next guest helps play a role in that. Kurt Zink is a fire scientist with VanderWall Brothers. I love that title, Kurt. Thank you so much for being here. Let's start with what you do.
Yeah, well, thanks for having me here. Absolutely. For sure. And, so VanderWall Brothers has been in West Michigan for over a century. We had our start in masonry products as a manufacturer in 1922. And so everything that's wood burning is masonry, and so that's really where our start is. We still manufacture masonry products, but we've kind of grown into full service installation of fireplaces in your homes, outside. It's really kind of a wide range, and we're specialists in what we do.
I love that. Okay, so you do fireplaces, and so let's talk about the partnership. And obviously, it made sense for you to be a part of Keep Michigan Safe.
Yeah. I was really surprised when I first heard that state of Michigan was one of the top 5 states with deaths from fire. So for us, our first core value is safety. Our second value is professionalism, and so the idea of hearing that was surprising. And so the area that we can play in that is making sure that we're intentionally putting fire in your home. Let's make sure it's done the right way.
Yeah, and let's talk about that too, because 'tis the season now where these fires start to happen for many different reasons.
Yeah.
And let's talk about the fireplace and how important it is to make sure it's working correctly and everything's...
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, so now that we're close to the holidays, the weather's starting to turn and getting colder. So people want to start turning their fireplaces on, or they might want to start burning wood in their fireplaces. So we would really cover both of those categories. You know, from a service of a gas fireplace unit, we have a service team. So we're National Fireplace Institute certified, and so that's really like the highest standard that you can look at from a safety standpoint. And then we're also, for those people who burn wood, we are Chimney Safety Institute certified, and so like that's the gold standard when it comes to wood burning fireplaces. So we'll come in and we'll sweep your fireplace, we'll video it to make sure that it's safe.
Okay, perfect. You guys are the experts in what you do. And then if somebody actually wants a fireplace too in their house, maybe they don't have one, technology has done a lot of things to be able to make that accessible for more people.
It has, yeah. So VanderWall, 2 locations on 29th Street in Grand Rapids, and then out in the Lake Shore in Spring Lake. Certainly you can come visit us. But for us, we really want to make sure we find what fits for our customers. You know, like we don't want to, sell you something. We want to take kind of an educational, facilitative approach to make sure we find what works for you and your family.
Okay, perfect. And so for those who do have fireplaces, whether it's gas, whether it's wood burning, electric, and before they start using it this time of year, what are some things that they need to keep in mind?
Yeah, so typically if it's a gas fireplace, you'll want to have it serviced. Most manufacturers will suggest to have it serviced annually.
Okay.
And so you can think this is an appliance, so you think of a fridge and a stove. These are appliances that have been in people's homes for 15, 20, 25 years. They need service. They need a little bit of attention to make sure that they're done right.
Yeah.
So that would be one of the first things, is just ensuring that, it's been serviced. Certainly some of your other guests will talk about smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors. Those are really important parts of that when you're talking about gas fireplaces. And then wood burning fireplaces, you want to have it swept. You want to have, the chimney clean before you start burning it. The creosote that comes about from the wood, that's where fires will start, is in the gap. We have in Michigan a lot of freeze thaw that happens, and that's where damage can happen to your flue. And that's where we want to protect that, because that's where fire can then reach into your home.
Absolutely. And so they just give you guys a call and come out and get that done.
Yeah. So we can reach out with our website, our phone number, lots of ways to get a hold of us, VanderWall Brothers.
Perfect. And how far do you guys service?
Yeah, Ludington to South Haven to 50 miles around Grand Rapids.
Perfect. All over the place.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Well, we really appreciate your time, Kurt. Thank you so much. So you want to get a hold of these guys before you start the fires, because obviously safety is the utmost importance. VanderWallBros.com if you want to hit them up online, and their phone number right there on your screen, 842-4500.
Are you interested?